Okay, this is for a Daihatsu Hijet. So what you're going to do is to remove the passenger seat, you're going to release this latch. But first you have to hold the lever here to get the backrest to come down. You're going to release the latch. And then what you're going to do is you're going to remove all four of these nuts to remove the bottom cover from the seat. And then you'll be able to put the seat cover over and attach the straps underneath. And with the backrest, all you have to do is you're going to slide it over the seat and attach the Velcro. Now to the driver's side, you're going to pull this backrest down, release the latch here under the seat, pull the seat up, and then there's two nuts that you're going to remove. Once you remove those, the seat will come loose, but what you're going to have to do is, this seat is on a rail, so you're going to have to tilt this side up and then pull it off the seat base. Once you do that, you can go ahead and attach the straps and then go ahead and install the plate back on, and then the backrest, same thing as the other one. You just pull the cover over the backrest, attach the Velcro, and that's it.